Hi guys, wireless charging pad. Picked this up in Poundland, £2.50. Had an idea. I did do wireless transmission projects several years ago. Sort of thing that Lid Motor and Slider 2732 and a few of the other guys were doing back then. So I do have some of the stuff that I made up before. I actually did some Christmas trees that I put little coils underneath. Some other things. Anyway, so I was wondering if I could just plug this in and light the LEDs on that coil, because that's the only thing I could find. I couldn't find all the other stuff I'd done all those years ago. Connect the wireless charger to an outlet. Connect using an existing USB wall charger using the micro USB cable provided. I reckon it's fallen out of the box. Probably through that hole, because it was sealed. Yeah, sealed both ends. Not a big problem, I do have plenty of them. In fact, because I'm going to use this, I wasn't going to use it anyway. So plug that in there. Shove this all out of the way. Switch that on. Okay. Oh, there's little foam feet to go underneath it. Right, so it's a light. Did we actually see that light up? So I plugged it in. Let's do that again, because it went red first. Yeah, okay. So if we put that on top of it, it should. And there we go. There's no full bridge rectifier or anything like that on here, so they're only flashing to half cycle. Or that may be all it's doing, half cycles, I don't know. In fact, it's just switched off. Let's do that again. Yeah, there we go. So that's wirelessly transmitting from there to there. And we're getting pulses of electricity or current, lighting up pretty purple LEDs. No significance in them being a pretty purple. I expect that was what I found in Poundland several years ago. That's just switched itself off again. Yeah. On. Hold that over there. What sort of distance? Oh, we've got to be right on it. How about sideways? Yeah, need to be right over the middle of it. Yeah, so I think I might have a little play with this, see if there's something I can 3D print and put a coil in the bottom of it and have lights on it, and then just sit it on there. Switch itself off again. Yeah, oh, that's fine. Shame we were missing the little cord that went with it, but yeah, £2.50. There were some others that were £3, and I couldn't actually see any specific difference. I quite like this. It'll be a coil, and there'll be a little bit of electronics to create a AC signal, because it needs an AC signal to actually wirelessly transfer. DC won't do it, so there will be a bit of circuitry in there. We could smash it apart and get in there and have a look at it, but we're not going to. But I will put a link to my videos that I did all this with years ago. I couldn't find the bits that went with this. There would have been a bit of circuitry somewhere. A few transistors or whatever to say pulse through it. That's just a coil of twin, I think that's speaker wire or something like that. And then that's layers of hot glue just to hold it together. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.